Most people do not struggle in their meetings because they lack knowledge. They struggle because their message lacks structure. They start talking and then jump from one point to another and then add more details, and finally the customer gets confused. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple framework which you can use in your customer meetings, presentations, and sales discussions, and I call it a simple talk framework. Welcome to sellingengineer.com, where we talk about B2B communication, AI tools, and career growth for engineers and sales professionals. As a sales engineer, you may know your product very well, but knowing the product is not enough. You need to explain what you know to the customer clearly, and this is where the simple framework comes in. The first thing which you need to do is to select what you are going to talk about. So think about, are you going to talk about a product, a solution, a proposal, a project update, or what exactly? So do not try to explain everything at once. Instead of saying I want to explain you the complete solution, say that I want to talk about why this solution is the best suitable solution for your application. So that's more focused. The next thing is identify the purpose. Think about that, what do you want the customer to understand or do? So think about, do you want the customer to approve the technical offer, or do you want them to agree to the next meeting, or do you want them to stop comparing the price? Your purpose controls the message, so be clear about your purpose. The third thing which you need to do is to make a list of points which you want to discuss, and this is usually done before the meeting. So think about like 3 to 5 most important points which you want to discuss with the customer. It doesn't necessarily have to be a list of 10 to 15 points, because more points create more confusion. The fourth thing which you need to do is to prove your point. So you don't necessarily have to make simple statements, but rather use a simple structure to prove your point. So first state your point and then tell why it matters, and then give an example. The fifth important thing is that link it to the business value. So this is important in technical sales, that you don't need to stop on the technical presentation, but rather link it to the business value. So customers care about reliability, safety, uptime, downtime, risk, cost, this kind of stuff. So instead of just saying that this system is redundant, you have to say that the system is redundant, which is going to reduce the downtime, which gives more confidence to your operations team. The sixth important point is end with a clear message. So at the end, repeat your main message in one simple clear sentence. In the end, you might say that the main point is this solution is not only technically suitable but also helps you reduce the downtime and gives your maintenance team more confidence in the operations. Do not end with too many details, end with clarity. So use this simple framework before your customer meetings and presentations. Your talks will become more clear, more professional, and easier to understand.